So guys, my battery is low, but we will just use it like that. You're still seeing those strings. So this is how I played that intro. Let me demonstrate it. Okay, so this is what you do. Shape number 3. Shape number 3, this is what I want you to do. Shape number 3, this is shape number 3 if you don't know. 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 4, 1, 4. Okay, so you play this thing like this. I'm picking string number 2. Pick string number 2 when it's open, and then string number 2 again. So you have, and then string number 2 on your 3rd fret, play string number 2. So you have, okay, so still going there. So you have, and then I want you to bring in your 3rd finger and play string number 3, as you can see on your screen. So you have, and then play string 3 and string 2, and then release. Release. The last note, the last D note, this note, you don't play it when it is closed, you play it when it's open. So actually I'm not playing the D note, I'm playing the E sharp note. I'm playing this note, 2nd fret, this note. It's not a D note, okay? You have that. Let's continue. So this is what you do. I want you to do this. Bring in a 2nd finger and play string 2, fret number 3. Bring in a pinky finger, play string number 2, fret number 5. So that okay, okay, and then there is something I want you to see. This thing, hii kitu najirudia. There is a repetition somewhere. That is what I want you to see. So listen. And then, are you seeing? Have you seen? And then the last part is is where I'm going to show you. I want you to master this one first. That is why I have not explained it, because there is a repetition. Just do. That is the part I want to show you. You've gotten this one. After doing all that, now I want you to pick string 3 and string 2 and then hammer on top of them. Hammer on top of them as they ring. string 3 and 2. You're hammering on string 3 and 2. And then after doing that, I want you to go to shape 2, which is here. Fret number 4, 5, 6. Shape number 2 is the same as shape number 3 when it's closed. Shape number 3 closed. Shape number 2 is the same as shape number 3 when it is closed. Shape number 3 when it is closed. That is shape number 3 when it's closed. Shape number 3 when it's open is like that. But shape number 3 when it's closed is like that. So shape number 2 is the same as shape number 3 closed. Alright. I want you to hit A sharp note, string number 4, fret number 6. Okay? I want you to hit it and then release by fire by force. Hit this note, hit A sharp note, and then result it to the G sharp note. Okay? So, after resulting it to the G sharp note, now finish by playing the E note. Okay? Okay? Result it by playing. Okay? Result it by playing that. Play, pull off, result here, play, pull it off, result it there, and then finish by E note, 7th fret, 5th string. So, okay? So in total you have practice makes permanent. Okay, so that is how you play that part. Now, last but not least, this is how you play now the full rhythm. The one you had on the background, it's like this. Just play shape number 3. Play shape number 3. And then as you can see, my fingers, they're playing string number 3 and string number 2. Shape number 3, fret number 2. Open, play shape number 3 when it's open. String 4, 3, 2. Play string number 4, 3, 2. Play string, bring in your second finger and the third finger respectively. Second string, third string, second string, third fret, third string, fourth fret. So you have. And then play shape 3. String 4, 3, 2. And then your pinky finger plays the E note on the 5th fret of the 5th fret. So repeat the same thing. Shape 2, combine shape 3 and shape 2, connect shape 3 and shape 2. After doing that, pinky finger plays 7th fret, G sharp note, and then bass, then bass, okay? Bass, okay?